Okay, can you see this? Can you see my PDF
Yes, sir.
PowerPoint
Yes, sir.
identifying
Yes,
moves
sir.
and
I can
steps
Yes,
see.
sir.
Yes,
in
Prof.
academic text? So this is the title, the topic for our discussion for this afternoon. Yeah, how to identify this? You have done this on a letter. Yeah, what you did is to find the model. Yeah, you found the format, and then you found an example of a letter suitable with the format, and then analyze it. Yeah, so that is the steps of doing it. Yeah, yes. We are going to look at this in more detail. Yeah, because we are going to use move and step analysis, move and step. Yeah, in this discussion. Um, so the process of identifying communicative units, which is also called move and steps in the discussion. So this is the example. Yeah, we are going to look at the move and step or the rhetorical structure of a discussion section in research articles. Yeah. Now, I followed the model suggested by Dudley Evans, yeah, from 1994. I gave you the reference already. This is the reference, Dudley Evans, 1994, genre analysis and approach to text analysis for ESP. In the book titled in Advances in Written Text Analysis, yeah, by Malcolm Coulthard. Yeah, 1994. Yeah, hopefully you have read the chapter. Yeah, uh, this is the book. Yeah, I shared the book, and you can download the book. It is already quite old, 1994, but this is still used, yeah, by people when analyzing discourse or part of discourse. Yeah, so this is the chapter, yeah, genre analysis and approach to text analysis for ESP. Yeah, for ESP, that is for uh, English for specific purposes. So this is English for academic purposes because we analyze the structure of article or section of articles. Now, how do we do this? Okay, how do we do this? Yeah, as you did, yeah, you found the model first, the format first. Yeah, it is okay. Yeah, but you can also collect the text to analyze first. Yeah, uh, it is called corpus. Okay, you have to find at least 30 texts or 30 articles or 30 parts of articles like abstract, introduction, discussion, a method, yeah, and conclusion. Yeah, find them from a particular source. If you are going to analyze articles written by international authors in a particular field, so find them first and find the recent example, recent publication, yeah, not the old one. Find the most recent one, okay, to see the uh, most recent feature of the articles. So at least 30, yeah, because we are going to check, yeah, the validity of our analysis, yeah, by comparing our analysis result with the results of someone else, which is called co-rater or independent rater. Yeah. So think of the representativeness, yeah, of the population of the discourse. Yeah. For example, so how many journals are published in a particular field, yeah, by international authors? Yeah, of course there will be so many. Yeah. So you have to think of the representativeness. Don't take a too small sample. Yeah. Uh, it will not be representative, and don't take too many. Yeah, because it will take a very long time to analyze it. Okay. Now this is the example. Yeah, the source of articles. Yeah, I took them from 6 different fields: religious study, education, economy and management, language and literature, psychology, social sciences. Yeah. So by looking at the field of disciplines, you can conclude, or at least you can guess that this is in the field of social sciences. Yeah. And probably humanities, yeah, like literature, yeah, religious studies, yeah, social science and literature. Sorry, social science and humanities. Yeah, the number of articles are not the same because the population, the size of population is not the same. Okay, this is another example. Yeah, the articles in the corpus of the study. I took 10 articles from each journals. I took 10 from Indonesian Journal of Applied Linguistics. Yeah, and then I give the average number of words per article. This is not for the whole article. Yeah, this is only for the introduction, I think. Yeah, only the introduction or the discussion section, not for the whole article. And the average number of references or citations per article. Yeah, you see, there are differences. Yeah, I also took 10 articles from Acta Medica Indonesiana in medicine field. Yeah, same number of articles, but quite different. Yeah, a different number of words per article. So this article is quite short, only 315 words. Yeah, for the discussion section. Yeah, and the number of reference is less than the one in applied linguistics. Yeah. Indonesian Journal of Geography, the in geography field, and Tropical Animal Science Journal, Animal Husbandry, yeah, with uh, the average number of words per article, yeah, 568. So different lengths of the article section. Journal of Engineering and Technological Sciences, yeah, in engineering and technology field, 10 articles with the average number of words per section, 609. With references less, this is the least number of references cited in the article, only 22.2 references, you see? Yeah. Applied linguistics, it has the most references cited in the article, 40. Yeah. While in medicine, 25, in geography, 30, in tropical animal husbandry, that is 33, and in journal engineering and technology, only 22. Yeah? You see, yeah, the most references cited in the applied linguistics, in social science. Yeah? There is a reason for this. This is not just uh, a coincidence. Yeah, there is a reason for this. Okay, yeah, because in applied linguistics, yeah, the quality of the uh, information contained in the articles, yeah, depends on the quality of the argument. Yeah. So in applied linguistics, we have to argue strongly, while people in other fields, yeah, they can replace the argument with statistic, yeah, with data from the experiment. Yeah. So by showing the statistical analysis result, for example, yeah, they can argue strongly. But in applied linguistics, yeah, since this is about language, yeah, we convince readers by arguments, not by showing data. Yeah. Okay. And then the next step is choose a model. Yeah. As what you did, yeah, you choose a model. Yeah. So choosing a right and appropriate model is very important. Yeah. Yeah. So if you are going to analyze a section of an article, yeah, please find a model suggested by previous authors on a particular section. Yeah. This is the discussion section. Yeah. Suggested by Peacock 2011. Yeah. And study the model. So you can use the model, yeah, to analyze your article, your chosen articles. Yeah. So you don't have to make your own model. Yeah. It will be difficult or it will be dangerous if you make your own model. So it is much better to find a model suggested by earlier researchers. Okay. So what about if you cannot find the the right model? Yeah, yeah, you can find the model similar, yeah, to the one that is available. For example, you are going to analyze the discussion section of a thesis, yeah, written by university students. And then you try to find a model of the thesis discussion, the structure of the thesis discussion, and you cannot find it. Yeah. And you are sure that there is no such model yet. And then you can use a model from a similar discourse or similar genre. What is it? The article. Yeah. The discussion section of an article. Yeah. Like what is suggested by Peacock. Yeah. So, yeah, you can use a model from a similar, yeah, family genre, although it is not exactly the same. Yeah, because articles and thesis are different. Yeah, thesis is usually much longer, while articles is shorter. Okay, yeah. So you have to find a model, yeah, to follow. Yeah. So here, Peacock suggests that an article discussion may contain how many move? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, seven moves. Yeah, overview, location, research aim, question or hypothesis, subject materials, procedure, limitation, and data or analysis. Yeah, this is the model, the moves for method, yeah, for method section. So this is for a method section, yeah, uh, and give the reason for your choice. The choice of this model to follow in this investigation is because the research article discipline in the corpus of Peacock study are almost as various as the one in the study. So in Peacock study, yeah, the articles also came from various different disciplines of journals. Yeah. So it is similar to this study. And therefore, yeah, I chose the model suggested by Peacock. Okay. And this is another example. Yeah. The model should be written like this. Yeah. To make it easy to read. This is models from Swales for research article introduction. Yeah, not for method, yeah, not for discussion, but for introduction. Uh, there are three moves actually. Yeah, I don't show the move three because it will be too big. Yeah, this only move one and move two. Yeah. This one example how to display the model, yeah? and and then give an example of each move in the model. Yeah, yeah, we have to show the examples to show that we understand, yeah, what the moves are. Yeah, move one, for example, yeah, the overview, and describe it. What is overview? So here, yeah, I took this from uh, Peacock, yeah, the beginning segment of method section in which research article writers provide a general introduction to research method. Now, this is the example, yeah. Yeah, look at the second one here, which is in English, yeah. I also gave the example in Indonesia, yeah, because I analyzed the data from Indonesian uh, articles or articles written in Indonesia. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, I define move. What is a move? Yeah. So move is a clause or a sentence, yeah, or a set of clauses or set of sentences or even a paragraph which shows a clear indication of a specific identifiable communicative purpose. Yeah? Communicative purpose. Yeah. So a sentence or several sentences, yeah, with a particular communicative purpose, signaled by linguistic clues, yeah, or inferred from specific information in the text. Yeah. The communicative units or moves in a particular text together, yeah, develop a set of communicative purposes relevant to the genre of the text. Yeah. So if there are five moves and all five moves develop the communicative purpose of that section. If it is an introduction, so the all moves, yeah, uh, support the communicative purpose of introduction. So all together, yeah, because it is big, it can be divided into several moves. Yeah. And then if the move is still big, yeah, it is usually divided into steps. Yeah. So what is a step? Segment or a segment of a text containing a particular form of rhetorical work necessary for realizing the communicative purpose of a move. Yeah. So because the move is big, and then it can be divided into several steps, and all steps in one move, yeah, support the communicative purpose of the move. Steps are strategies for encoding communicative purposes. The steps are mostly signaled by linguistic and discourse clues in the text or are inferred from the context. Okay. So later on, we are going to study the linguistic clues or linguistic features or linguistic realization. Yeah. This is an important aspect of structure, yeah, discourse structure. So the structure alone is not enough. Yeah, we have to know how to address, yeah, the structure, each part, each move of in the structure, how to address it linguistically, yeah, which words to use, which sentence pattern to use, which phrase pattern to use, yeah, because they are different. Now, how to identify moves and steps? Yeah, first, read the title. If it is articles, yeah, you have to read the titles, the abstracts, and the key terms or keywords in each of the articles to get a general understanding of the research articles reported in the journal, in the research article. So, uh, even though you only analyze abstract, you have to read the whole article, not just the abstract. Yeah, because we sometimes get a better understanding to read on the abstract after reading the whole article. Second, the entire articles was read to identify the main section. Yeah, what are the section? Abstract, introduction, method, results, and discussion and conclusion. Yeah. And third, the discussion section of the research article were read again, yeah, to identify the linguistic and discourse features, which may signal the possible communicative segments in the discussion section, referring to the five possible styles, yeah, and three possible techniques as a guideline, yeah, as a model. Yeah. So we read the article several times, not just once. Yeah. Although we only analyze one section of the articles. Yeah? So it is not enough just to read one. Okay, number four, yeah, or the fourth step, the possible styles and techniques in the discussion section of the research article were identified and coded. And then, yeah, we find the moves and steps after reading the article several times and then identifying the move and steps, yeah, by looking at the model and the description of the model, yeah, by looking at the units of ideas or sentence or clause. Yeah. So the analysis is a sentence-based analysis or clause-based analysis, not smaller than that. Yeah. The analysis cannot be based on word. Yeah. Because this is discourse analysis. Yeah. Uh, as a definition of discourse is at least a sentence. Yeah, and therefore, we cannot analyze only a word because a word is not discourse. A discourse must be at least a sentence or a clause. Yeah. Uh, but it will be different in spoken language. In spoken language, a word can be discourse because a spoken language contains many ellipses. Yeah, many ellipses, words which are not stated, but they must be understood. In written discourse, yeah, at least one sentence. That the unit, the smallest unit of analysis. The checklist, yeah, to identify the argument style is attached. So we have to have the checklist, the instrument. Yeah. Without the instrument, we cannot analyze the discourse. Yeah. The instrument is very important. It is called a checklist. Yeah. It is important to uh, uh, teach the co-orator, yeah, and then before he or she or they begin analyzing the same text as you analyze, yeah, and then you compare the results. Okay, so this is the instrument. Yeah, this is the instrument. Yeah, Uh, this is called argument style. Style one, this is the purpose, the communicative purpose, interpreting the research findings or stating what the findings may mean. Okay. Step two, explaining or elaborating the research findings to make it clear for readers. Step three, step four, and step five. Yeah. Now, this is the instrument. Yeah. This instrument is used to analyze one discussion section. Yeah. Not for or several. Yeah. Just for one. Okay. You have to write the article code. What is the code? Code is from the field of discipline and article number. Yeah? If it is better to write the title, yeah, of the articles and then the name of the journals. Okay? And here, yeah, useful discourse clue. Yeah, why do you identify, yeah, a particular sentence or set of sentences as style one? Why? What are the clues? You write it here. Yeah? So this is for every discourse. And when you finish, sign it. Yeah, put your signature down here. Yeah, on the bottom right bottom corner of the instrument. Yeah. This is the in the appendix B. Yeah, this is another instrument to identify the technique. Yeah, instrument A is to identify the style. Yeah, argument style, and this is the argument technique. Yeah, with the description of communicative purpose. Okay, in uh, in the method section of your article, you have to give example. Yeah, as I showed you before. You give the example. Technique one, what is the communicative purpose and what is the example? Okay. Technique two, communicative purpose and example. Technique three, communicative purpose and example. Now, this is the way to validate the data analysis result. Yeah. How to do that? Yeah, to validate the data analysis result, an independent coder was used in this study. The independent coder or rater, yeah, was a lecturer with a doctorate. You have to mention the qualification, yeah, of the independent coder, independent rater. Yeah. And the independent coder was first introduced and trained, yeah, on how to recognize possible this is uh, uh, reporting verbs. Yeah, okay. So a different instrument. Yeah. You have to teach the independent rater, yeah, how to analyze the data using the particular instrument or checklist. Yeah. After that, the intercoder correlation, yeah, relationship was measured and the result showed an excellent. Yeah. So 80 or above is already excellent according to Kanoxilapatam 2005. The only difference was in classifying the reporting verbs in the research article introduction. Okay. And then a full agreement was eventually reached after several meetings, yeah, between the researcher and the independent coder. Okay. And then this is the result of the intercoder or interrater reliability results. Yeah. This is just example. Yeah. This is from a different articles, different project, different research. Yeah. Uh, uh, Out of several articles, we analyzed together the same articles, yeah, chosen randomly from the corpus of the study. Yeah, about if for example 10 articles were analyzed, 8 are the same. Yeah, 2 are different. Is it enough? Yeah, we found the insufficient. Yeah, so the overall mean or average is 0.82. So this is okay. Yeah, this is enough. Yeah, so no problem. Okay, so this is the way to analyze the structure, yeah, the rhetorical structure, yeah, of a particular genre. Yeah, this is the way to analyze it. Yeah, okay, step by step analyzing. So, what I'm saying here, this is the uh, method section, yeah, of an article. If you are going to analyze a particular discourse. Okay, so that is the uh, presentation. If you have any question, yeah, please raise your question. Yeah, is there any question? Okay, you can also write, yeah, your question in the chat box. Yeah. So this is step by step analysis. How to analyze a collection of academic texts, yeah, to find, to know the structure of the text. We have to find the model. Yeah, we cannot use our own model. Yeah, if the exact model is not found, and then you can use similar, yeah, a similar model. Okay, is there any question? Is there any question? So this is a question from Sandra Hidayat. Excuse me, sir, is there any tip so that we can analyze by reading one time, or we have to read many times? Yeah, you have to read many times. Yeah. If you read only once, you cannot find the model. Yeah, not just once. Yeah, several times, or sometimes many times. Yeah, you have to read many times to find the models, because sometimes it is tricky. We have to look at the clues. Yeah, what are the clues? This is what I call linguistic realization. Yeah, for example, yeah, in uh, for example, in abstract, yeah, what there are five moves in abstract. Yeah, introduction or background, purpose, method, result, and discussion, result, and then conclusion or suggestion. Yeah. Um, what are the clues for uh, purpose, for example? Yeah. Of course, the word. Yeah, the word purpose, the word aim. Okay, I'm looking for here. Okay, here. Now let me show you. Uh, okay, can you see this?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, Bob.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the model for abstract. This is the model for abstract. Yeah, in the method section. Okay, this is the model. This is the model. Yeah, there are five moves. Yeah, Yeah. This is move one, background, introduction, or situation, which is written to answer the question of what the writers know about the research topic. So this is move one. Move two, the purpose. Move three, the method. Move four, the results. And then move five, the discussion. So this is the model. Yeah, I use. This is from Swales, 2009. Yeah, I have to show the model first and the description or communicative purpose of each move. Yeah, and then yeah, I uh, I show the linguistic analysis. Okay, and the linguistic analysis of the abstract. Yeah, what are the feature? Yeah? Here, the feature is the use of voice, yeah, the use of stand expression, modal auxiliaries, semi or semi-modal verbs that complement, yeah, tense, yeah, method, move is often addressed in past tense. Okay, that are the linguistic clues. Yeah, this is example of hedges, the linguistic realization, yeah, attitudinal stance, self-reference, and so on. Yeah, and then yeah, uh, I use the model to analyze, yeah, to analyze the abstract, yeah, the articles that I have chosen. Yeah, only 10 abstract from each field. Yeah, there are 30 articles altogether. Yeah, then I found this. Yeah, I found these frequencies. Okay, 90% of the abstracts, yeah, have a move to. 93% of the abstract have a move three. 100% have a move four. Only 27%, yeah, have a move one, so very few. Yeah, and only
Okay, sir.
30% have a move five. Okay, a small number of abstract. And then I show the example. Yeah, the examples. Yeah, and this the second analysis, that is the grammatical features or linguistic features like tenses. Yeah, like yeah, this is the tenses, active and passive, yeah, tenses, and that complement. Yeah, and I gave the example here. Yeah. Okay, so you have to read several times, not just one. It is not enough. Okay, is there any other question?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I want to ask if we someday, maybe one day, have to analyze literature that have chapters, should we analyze it with move or something per chapter, or just read it first until end and then analyze it? Thank you.
You are going to analyze a thesis? Yeah.
Maybe, or thesis or novel that have many
Or
chapters.
novel, yeah, but not novel.
Maybe.
Yeah, not
Mm-hmm.
novel. Because
Thesis.
novel is not a discourse. It is not
Also.
included in a discourse
Mm-hmm.
study.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Why
And
is it not? Yeah. Do you know why is this novel, stories, yeah, or poetry is not included in a discourse study? Because it is not natural.
okay.
Yeah. It is
Okay.
a literary work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
They just pretend,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, a novel, fiction. Yeah. So it is different, the different analysis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you can analyze a thesis. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, you will analyze one chapter of a thesis, not whole. It will
Okay.
be difficult because it
Okay.
will be too big.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. For example, you are going to analyze the structure of chapter one. Yeah, chapter one is the introduction. Okay.
Okay.
So your question is how many theses? What is the question?
So how to analyze if the literature or thesis have many chapters? Should we analyze the whole thesis or just
Yeah,
choose the one?
just one,
Yes.
just
Yes.
one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is manageable. Yeah.
Okay.
If you analyze the whole one, it will be more difficult.
Okay.
Yeah, and too much. Yeah, to analyze. Yeah, just one chapter. Yeah, it is better to analyze one chapter. Yeah, uh, compared to analyzing the whole thesis. Yeah, because they have a different model. Abstract
Ah,
has
okay.
a different model. Yeah, introduction has a different model, and then method has a different model. Now it can be considered a different genre. It can
Ah,
be,
okay.
yeah, yeah, abstract uh, in one article, yeah, but abstract has a very different structure, yeah, than introduction, okay, which is closer. Abstract and introduction in one article, or abstract in one article and abstract in a paper, seminar or paper, for example, which is similar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, abstract in one article and abstract in a seminar paper. It is more
Oh,
similar,
okay.
yeah, than abstract and introduction in one article. So if although abstract and introduction and method and discussion and conclusion are included in one article, but they are different. Yeah? They are very different. Yeah? As if they are not in one family. Yeah? So it is much similar, closer relation, abstract of thesis, abstract of article, abstract of seminar paper. So they are similar and they can be classified as one genre, yeah, because the structure are similar.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so people often analyze just one section, yeah, of a discourse of
Okay.
article, of a paper, of thesis, dissertation, yeah, just one chapter. Similar, yeah, the introduction of an article is very different from the method section. Very different. Yeah. Maybe you can analyze introduction and discussion. Yeah. Because they have a connection. Yeah. In introduction, yeah, you introduce the topic, the research, and then you identify the gap or research gap, and then in the discussion, yeah, you show how you fill in the gaps. Okay,
Ah, okay.
in introduction you have a promise. In the discussion you have to keep the promise. Yeah, how you realize your promise, how will
Yes.
you meet your promise. Yeah, introduction, I will find this. And then in the result and the discussion, yeah, what are your findings? Okay. So introduction and discussion are closely related, but not with method, but not with abstract. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Next question, if you have. So this is different from the one that you did, you analyze a letter. A letter is very simple. Yeah. This is a more complicated one because it is larger than a letter. Yeah, like abstract, like introduction, method, yeah, discussion, and then conclusion. Yeah, but the method is the same. Yeah, you collect the uh, the discourse, the corpus, and then find the model, study the models, yeah, show that you understand the model, and then you can start analyzing, yeah, the corpus, yeah, and display, yeah, your data, your finding, yeah. Okay. Is there any other question? No more question? No question? You can write your question in the chat box. Yeah. Okay. Can you do the analysis? If I ask you to analyze, for example, um, chapter one of your undergraduate thesis, can you do that? Yeah. Find your undergraduate thesis again. Yeah. In Indonesia, we call it skripsi. Yeah. And analyze it. How can you analyze your chapter one of your thesis, undergraduate thesis? Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I've never done the thesis before, even
Mm,
under.
mm. Or you didn't write the thesis.
Yes.
Yeah, you can analyze somebody else's thesis.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you.
Just chapter one. Just chapter one. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Is it when we analyze chapter one? Is it the same like we analyze any gender like we have done before?
Yes. Yeah. Just like this one. Yeah. The steps
Oh,
are the same. Yeah.
okay,
What you
okay.
have to do, yeah, find a model and then show that you understand the model. Let me show you another examples. Yeah. A better
Is
example.
the analysis same with the template, sir?
We call it model. Yeah, model.
But in thesis, we have our own template, I think.
Yeah, template is very general. Yeah, it is more than just a template.
So
Uh,
we have to make a step and move to analyze
yes,
the text.
yes. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is a genre-based analysis on discussion section of research article in Indonesian written by Indonesian speakers. Yeah. So first, find a model. What is the model? Yeah. This is the sources. Yeah. This is we don't have to you don't write this because you only analyze one. Yeah, I analyzed 47 articles, discussion. This is the model. Move one, move two, move three, move four, move five. So 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 moves for the discussion. Yeah, discussion section. Yeah, with the description of each move. Okay, and then this the example. Yeah, because I analyze Indonesian, and then okay, let find another one. Now another example. Yeah, not this one. Uh, the introduction. Indonesian. Okay, just look at this example. Okay, this is the I think this is the method section. Yeah, the method section of research article in social sciences. Okay, this is the model. Yeah, the model move one, step two, step three, and then the description. Move two, step one, step two, step three, description. Move three, yeah, step one, step two, and step three. Okay. Okay. And in the method section, this is the source, the corpus of the study. This is the example. Yeah. Move one, description, example. Yeah. Move two, description or communicative purpose and example. Yeah. We have to show this, yeah, to convince readers that we understand what is move one, what is move two, yeah, by showing the example. Move three, yeah, move four, five, six, seven, yeah, yeah, seven moves, yeah, in the model. Okay, and then we can start analyzing it. Yeah, for you, just one uh, articles, yeah, or one chapter of your undergraduate thesis. Yeah, uh, and then display the result. Yeah. So for you, if your chapter one has, for example, an overview, yeah, you uh, put a tick here. Okay, move two, move three, and so on, following the model. And below, yeah, give an example. Yeah, chapter one is similar to introduction, not very similar. Yeah, it is close. Yeah, to introduction in articles. But if you can find a model from a thesis, chapter one thesis, yeah, from somebody else study before, and that is the best one. Yeah, yeah, that is better than using article uh, as a model. Yeah. So first, find a model of chapter one of thesis. If you cannot find a chapter one of thesis, you can use a chapter one of dissertation or undergraduate thesis. Yeah. Now, then, if you cannot find the model, you can use introduction of articles because it is close. Yeah. But first, find the exact model. Yeah. Uh, before you can analyze your own chapter one. Yeah. Okay. And show the results. Okay. Show the results with examples. Yeah. Show the result with examples. Okay. This is the examples, yeah, of each move, yeah, taken from the data uh, of the study. Yeah. from the corpus.